slowly and exhale softly. No force, no control, just natural, gentle breathing. Check your body, your muscles, bones, joints, arms, legs. Your whole body completely relaxed. It is a peaceful weekend morning. No alarms, no pressure, no deadlines. Just silence. Fresh air and stillness. You are lying near a calm lake, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Mountains standing silently in the distance. The air is cool, clean, touching your skin gently. You breathe in, and it feels like your entire body is being refreshed. You breathe out, and all the stress, all the pressure begins to leave your body. Now we go deeper. With every breath, your conscious mind begins to relax. All the thoughts about work, emails, responsibilities, they slowly move away. Like clouds passing in the sky. You don't hold them, you just let them pass. Your conscious mind is now becoming calm, quiet, still. just to allow. Imagine a soft white light at the top of your head. This beautiful healing light slowly enters your body. Moving down through your brain, relaxing every nerve. Through your face, your jaw, releasing all hidden tension. Down your neck, your shoulders, melting all the pressure you have carried for days. Down your arms, into your hands, releasing the effort, the doing. Into your chest, into your heart, softening everything. Into your stomach, your organs, healing, balancing, restoring. Down your hips, your legs, your feet, your whole body now filled with this calm, healing energy. Your unconscious mind is now resetting like deep sleep, but aware, like silence, but alive. And now we gently move into the superconscious, the highest awareness, the place beyond stress, beyond identity, beyond all roles. Here you are not a worker, not a doctor, not an employee. You are pure awareness. Peace, stillness, expansion. Feel yourself meditation, this holistic hypnosis, deep meditation, you will bring this peace, this clarity,